This is Ferrofluid 1.0. It's a sound reactive metaball simulation in Blender Geometry Node. It's not physically accurate, just a visual representation of the ferrofluid phenomenon. To use it, you need the Au2Bl Addon. Au2Bl Starter Pack 1 is not required. Press Start Audio Sampling in Au2Bl Addon. Volume object have been created, so I can select it, and now I'm sampling the sound of my voice. This is the sound of my voice, okay. From now on, I'm going to sample some music to show you parameters. Blob initial conditions are defined by the number of the particles and their distance. This distance affects the resting sides of the blob. Metaballs cohesion define how strongly the particles tend to stay grouped. These are the parameters of the metaballs instances in the geometry node system. For metaballs themselves, you have resolution and influence threshold settings. Resolution has a major impact on real-time performance. Silence noise is the fluid's base animation, so even when there is silence, the fluid can still bubble. Audio noise maps the audio input level to the scale of the noise distortion. When working with Au2Bl Addon, always monitor this value. If you want maximum dynamics, your input value should go freely between 0 and 1, not too close to 1 and not too close to 0. These are the other parameters of the audio reactive noise. If the noise scale value is too low, it moves the whole blob in a less natural way. This system turns any particle simulation in Geometry Node into a sound reactive metaball fluid. I recreated parts of CG Matters physics with Geometry Node and added a behavior where the fluid clusters at the center when audio is playing and settle with silence. I like to see you wiggle wiggle.